Oh yeah, guys, what's up, man? This is the boy Dennis here. Again, in this channel, we're talking about making money online. So if you're new, please smash the subscribe button, like, comment, and share with your friend, In this topic, first, I'm going to talk about, I'm coming with a website, because this is also is a website called Bambo Globalization. So I'm going to talk the fact of this this website, because I have been getting so many questions. Is it Bambo legit, or is it Bambo a scam? But today I'm going to review everything in here on what is Bambo exactly, and what it does, and how can you how does it operate, So yeah, stick with me, because I'm remember, in this channel where I'm giving the honest review about any kind of product that I recommend to you guys. So today, I'm going to review exactly the fact about this this Bambo Globalization. So stick with me until the end, and I will show you step by step everything on how it operates, and why these people they're claiming that you're gonna make a lot of money using this website, Baby, baby. Okay. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So let let me go step by step and show you what are these people claiming to do. I have done a research with the Bambo Globalization, and I found out that, guys, these people, they are scammers. Don't ever try to invest your money on Bamboo, because you're never gonna get it that money back. You're never gonna withdraw it. Yes, they're gonna claim that you can withdraw, but guys, be aware of this website. Anytime, any soon can shut it down, and you're never gonna get anything. Be aware, South African. I'm warning most of South African because I know they have heard about this and they thought that they're gonna, hey, gonna make a lot of money using this. That it doesn't work like that, guys. If you need to make money online in the straight way forward without you worrying about anything, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description, because that's what I do. That's what I do most, because I am making money online. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm an affiliate marketing. So I make money online, and I'm making money online in the right way. You can check my videos on how I'm making money. There's a lot of proof that I've uploaded on my YouTube channel, but that is not my main source of income, because I don't normally publish my income, because to be like a boosting, people will say, the guy is boosting what, because I don't do that. But I give the honest review that I think it can help you. I did do a research about Bamboo globalization, and I found out that, guys, be aware. Be aware, South African most, because I know this thing, it pays in rand, so most of customers are from South Africa. So be aware with this Bamboo, because at the end you're gonna lose your money, and you're not gonna get anything. And by the end, you start all the online business as scammers. Online business, some of them they do work, some of them they don't work. They're scammers for sure. As for me, I do affiliate marketing. I do affiliate marketing in the right way, because that's the most I make my money. I don't work, I got no job, guys, but I do my job online. That's it, nothing else. So if you're interested in learning on how to do affiliate marketing in the correct way, on how to make money in the correct way, I'm going to leave also the link down below there. And also I'm going to leave the link to my Instagram and Facebook also as well, so that we can talk whenever you have any question. So so let me get started to the topic of Bamboo. So this is the Bamboo, guys. So they are claiming for you to make money on the Bamboo. First of all, you need to complete tasks here. As you can see here, when you go to the tasks, you're gonna find a lot of tasks here. That if you complete these tasks, you're gonna make money. That's it. Nothing else that you can make money on Bamboo. It's only completing tasks, which it doesn't work like that, guys. It can't work. It will never work, and it can't work. That's it. That's the truth. I'm telling you, guys. Just tell me who succeeded in this Bamboo globalization. Who? If you know someone who succeeded, please leave the comment below there. I want to hear it, because I never see anyone who succeeded in this. These are scammers are trying, and they're telling you that they have their WhatsApp, what. Yes, they do have a WhatsApp, but guys, it doesn't work. I'm telling you, be aware with your money. Do something collective, do something unique, which will make you make a lot of money online. So they also got VIPs here. So what they do on VIPs, as you can see here, if you are here, free VIP, which is you now, when you are here, you are free VIPs. So when you're free VIPs, it means you'll be getting 2 tasks per day, and you'll be making 10 rand. That's all. And if you refer someone, you'll be getting 5 rand. That's how it works. And if you upgrade, to upgrade to VIP 1, which you have to pay now 200 rand. If you pay 200 rand, you're gonna earn 36 rand per day, which is 3 tasks. And the security balance is going to be 450. And here, the free task of security balance is 150. It keeps going. It said, if you upgrade 600 rand, you'll be making 125 baht per day, and they're gonna give you 5 tasks. Remember, these tasks are limited. They're not you are limited. Is not you are limited to do that. So yeah, you have to know that. So if you upgrade again this VIP level 2, they said you're gonna get this 125 rand, and the task 5 tasks, and the security balance is going to be 1,500, and you keep moving. And they said the VIP 3 again, if you upgrade 1,500, they said you're gonna earn 360, which is 8 tasks and 4,000 security balance. Listen, guys, there's no investment which can pay you like that, guys. There's no, even traders, they don't make this kind of money. You have to work hard for sure to get that money. This one is not like affiliate. Affiliate, yes, you can make money, you can make big sales. Someone can buy maybe, let me say, $1,000 and you make money same time. But it's not like this one. This one, guys, you have to invest your money for you to be able to earn all this money. But it is impossible. You're gonna lose your money. You're not gonna get it back. Trust me on that. And also, there's a VIP for, they said you're gonna upgrade for 3,000. Once you upgrade 3,000, they say you'll be able to make 750 daily. Guys, have you seen that? Have you seen? Are you sure you can make 750 every day by just putting your 30,000 per day? Guys, this is impossible. Trust me. And there's also, they're claiming that security balance is going to be 8,000, and sort of daily task is going to be 10 tasks per day. Again, there's VIP 6. It keeps going. Say if you invest 6,000, they say you're gonna earn 1,560. They say they're gonna give you a daily task of 13, and the security balance is going to be 16,000. Guys, you see that? And also they say there's a VIP 6, which if you deposit 12,000, they say you're gonna earn 30,000, 300 per day, which is 15 tasks. And also the security balance is going to be 32,000. So that's how to, and also they say the VIP 7, which is 24,000 you invest and you earn 6,600 per day, which is 20 day task. And also security balance is going to be 64 rands. And also they say there's a VIP 8, which is you invest 48,000. They said per day you're gonna earn 13,200, and also day task is going to be 20 tasks, and also security balance is going to be 128,000. Yeah. Also they say there's a VIP 9, which you invest 96,000, and they said oh, you say how much? Yeah, 96,000. They say per day will be able to earn 26,400 per day, and which is a day task of 20, and the security balance is going to be 200,500 and 6,000. So this is Bamboo, guys. That's why they are telling you to do. So if you see this thing is really, is up to you, you can join, but my recommendation is don't invest your money on Bamboo. That's my opinion. I'm giving the honest review. I don't want you to lose your money. I'm going to leave the link below if you want to learn affiliate marketing to earn money in the correct way. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So just click that link, the first link. It will be the first link in the description below. Then yeah, it will take. It's a course that is going to teach you step by step on how to do affiliate marketing in the correct way. So that's it, guys. And also, yes, there's a task, there's VIP, there's a homepage and wallet. So all the money that you're gonna earn is going to come here. They say you come here, while inside wallet, you're going to see your money here if you earn your money here. And also they say you can withdraw if you have a minimum of how much. They said withdraw, I think something like 800. Yeah, withdraw is to the free VIP is 850, then you can be able to withdraw. VIP 1, you can withdraw to 250. VIP 2, you can withdraw 600 minimum. VIP 3, something like that. You're gonna just, that's how it works, guys. So I'm not gonna go step by step on how everything. I think we've seen Bamboo, what is Bamboo, and you know everything, but I'm just giving you my honest opinion and my honest review about Bamboo, because I did my research, guys. For me to do something, I just go step by step. I learn on how this thing works, and I found what is pros and cons. So that's it, guys. So if you want to do Bamboo, I'm not saying that you can do it, but if you want to lose your money, go ahead. That is, guys. So yeah, this is for today, guys. I just wanted to give you honest review, because in this channel I just give only the honest review, guys. I don't want you to lose your money. I don't want you to be crying, but I want to teach you I want you to learn to do affiliate marketing, or to learn how to make money in the correct way. So that's why I'm here, guys. So if you are new, please subscribe. If this video gives value, also like it, share with your friend, also, because I don't want anyone to lose his money. So make sure share with your friend, with anyone else who heard about this and want to invest. Share with anyone, because save a lot of people, guys. Help your friends as well, so they won't lose the money. So that's it, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment down below there. I'll be able to answer anyone there who comment. So that's it, guys. Cheers. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, bye bye.